Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today we're gonna show you how to protect your padlock against environment. So we're gonna cut down the bottle, plastic bottle, and we will show you how it's easy to protect your lock against rain, snow, and any kind of environment. So here it is. We cut down the bottom of the bottle and we made a cut here to fit the latch, which is here. So let's try to insert the bottle on the latch. We inserted the bottle on the latch and here it is. The padlock is protected. If any kind of wind blows, it won't take the bottle out. And if rain falls, drops will fall on the sides of the bottle and padlock will be protected, will stay protected. So this is a great solution if you have some kind of locking device in a remote location in your property which you won't unlock for months or maybe years. This thing will protect your padlock so you can unlock it when you need. If you want to unlock it, just insert the key and voila, everything is out. So this is a great idea. It's perfect if you have a padlock which is susceptible to rust, which rusts pretty quickly if it's made of steel, iron, or something like that. Basic security locks are best for this kind of protection because without it they will rust quickly and you won't unlock it. You have to cut it to release the latch. So let's talk about this padlock while we're here. This is a Bain padlock, Bane Sekulic or Bain, made in 1991, 45mm, made of zinc, and it's pretty good lock. It's pretty old also, but at that time it was very expensive, so nowadays it's pretty rare to find it in new old stock condition like this one. 5-pinner, standard pins. It's rekeyable. If you see inside, let me show you. There it is. This rod, this notch is spring-loaded, and when you pull that notch into the body, you will release the guts. So this lock was very ahead of its time. Also, we have special protector for the shackle, additional one. Some of those locks were sold by generic, in generic package, in generic state. So that was it at the time, without the shackle protector. But some of them, which were much more expensive, had this shackle protector. Let me show you. This is shackle protector. It's part of steel, chromed steel. Very interesting design. So I will try to somehow take it and put it in the correct place. Look at it. Very interesting solution. Technical solution. It's great. And when you lock the lock, it will protect the shackle when it's on the latch, and you won't be able to cut it through. So that's it, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.